I suspected this could happen, but the administrator just would not listen. As I expected.
Don't make me do this.
Have I been that much of a burden? It can't get any worse than this. Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet?
Hey, what did I ever do to you?
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. Freeman, weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? My God, what are you doing? Ah, stop! No!
All right, let's go for it.
No! Is someone there?
Yes, sir.
Rescued at last. Thank God you're here.
Affirmative.
I've got to get out of here.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Well, so much for the government. Their idea of containment is to kill
Gordon
everyone.
doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional.
Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a microscope?
I just don't know. You ever seen anything like this?
Nasty piece of work you managed over there. I am impressed.
I'll stay here and guard this area. Hey, catch me later. I'll buy you a beer.
I hope no one expects me to start up the generator. Excellent! Someone has restored all power. We'll have the engine up again in no time. Freeman, you'll want to work quickly. Do you still say there's nothing to chaos theory?